Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Technology Transforming. We already did three session with MS Word. This is the fourth session, and if you did not watch our all three videos and how we you if you did not watch our all the videos, you just go into playlist. There are many informations about computer, how to operate computer, what are the computer feature apps are there to use day-to-day activities, and many more. If you are new here, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, and if you like our videos, please like it and share with your family and friends. So let's start today's session. Again, we'll go into WinWord. Okay, we'll go to WinWord, and we'll go to this. So file, home, insert. We'll insert. Last we covered all the whatever features in this. Now today we have design, so we can design like all the things. So for the design we'll require some tags, so same command we'll put here. So this is, we have some we have some text. So what we want to change this design format. So what we'll do, we'll first of all we'll change theme. If you see, if I'm clicking on the themes, it's automatically going change. So I'm selecting this theme. Okay, color you can select as per your this thing. So color will reflect what is office. This will looks like office 10 to 7 to 10, and many more you can do. Customize color you can do from here. What is like text background dark, hyperlink color, what will be, you can make all the things from here. Fonts, we can change fonts itself from here. Okay, right now suppose I will do this. You can do some effects, like if you want to effects different effects, this will basically help to chart, not here. Then we have page color. If you want to change page color itself, page color can be changed, but right now nobody will change the page color. Page color will be white. Then page border, it is important generally. So page border we will put like box means it will come all around, and you can just play with it. We don't want this right now. If I put this, it will come all. If I don't want this side, so it will not come with this side. So you can play with this again. Then we have options with the, like if you want like this. Okay, so it will automatically select. Okay, then we have art here, some art, like if we want this, so it will come reflect on our full page. So this will, you can make many play with these full things. If you want only highlight this area, so you can go here and you just go to whole document. You just go to borders first of all, and then you just go to like paragraphs, and you just make it as according to you. So suppose you want this. Okay, so this will automatically come into this paragraph. So you have to play many things with this, but this is surely important, because again your page will reflect with your borders, because sometimes border and that will give you good view of your page. So this is important, friends. Layout we already discussed in our first session. So if you did not aware of the layout, because layout is very important again, because your how it will your output means your printout, it depends on the layout. If you did not see our if you did not know about this, please refer our part 1 video. Then we have reference here. So for reference we'll take another page of WinWord. So this is my another page, and we'll, for reference we required some pages. So for new pages we'll just put control enter, control enter, control enter, and control. So right now if you see, we have 5 pages here, 5 pages, and we'll leave first page and we'll start from second page. So what we'll do, suppose we are lesson 1, we'll take copy, then we'll do paste. Lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, and every lesson we'll put something. Okay, we'll put under this lesson some again some text, and we'll put copy paste for this. And sorry, actually I'm giving you just examples, so that's why I copy and paste. You can make something else. Okay, so and this will put some picture. So insert, directly go to picture, just click any of the picture. So I'm just clicking on this picture. Okay, so what happened, we will use this reference table of content. So for that we are preparing this. First what we do, we just put this add text into one label. Label means basically it is kind of headings, so it will be all our same headings. Okay, this will be again label 1. If you put label 2, the the size of the heading and the thing appearance will be heading is different. Okay, so we did it. So what we'll go into first page. First page you just go into this, and you go into custom. You put whatever like you want, this in between, so you put this, and you just put here some fancy, so it will come fancy, and just put okay. Why it's come page 2, maybe okay, we just maybe click, we did not click properly, click here. Okay, so we'll put here, go to reference table of content, custom table of content. Okay, we can go like this, we can go fancy, and okay, so it is come like this. So if you see, it's basically reference. Suppose now I have 100 pages, so what I will do, I will control and press this, so it will go to automatically 100 pages. If you are adding something, you just go here below this and put lesson 5. Okay, and put some text. Now you want to add this lesson into previous one. So what you will do, you just select this and put it to label. So what you will do, you go now to text, click anywhere in between, just update and update entire table. So it is entirely, and it will tell you the page number also. So that's it into this. And what happened again, this insert caption is also part of this. So what in this is only for the pictures. If you see, it's only for picture, but it works same. So you can check with this, and it is same, so I am not covering this. Okay, so then that's all for this. Then we'll go to insert note and other thing. So insert note will go to again our document, and we'll remove this what you called all this thing. So we'll go into design, and we'll go into borders. No borders, no, none. So it is there. Then we'll go to this one also, we'll remove paragraph. I don't know what is my page border, borders, paragraph, and none. Okay, so it is out. And if we want now insert footnote. Basically footnote is what, likely it's a small kind of note where you can put your footnote. It will automatically come by default. You can show note where you want, so if suppose this is, you put one here, so it will by default is some note you mention. Okay, so you mention some note here, so this refer to this. Okay, suppose I will put here, and I will put note, so it's second. So once I will control and click this, it is going to directly to where it's my 2. So basically somebody put here and then refer note there, so something explanation you can say. So this all about your notes and thing. Then we have caption. Okay, so caption is again important. Caption is what basically, okay, suppose you are writing a book, who is the author? Suppose ABC is the author. Title, what is the title of the book? So you put like this is the title, which year it is published, you can put 2020. City, again it's ABC. Publisher XYZ, you can put this. So what happen, once you put this, it is coming here as a small thing, but once you put this biography options, it is like, biography is built in. So it's kind of thing, full biography means whatever we have to give it. So that's this all for that. Then we have next thing is balance is mark entry, and this mark creation is again same. So we'll use new document for, okay, we'll create new document for this, or we'll go to this and we'll delete this. Okay, for mark entry we required some tags A, B, C, C, D, E, F, E, G, whatever, A, B, 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 C, 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 F, 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 X, Y, Z, or whatever it is. Okay, suppose you have 500 students in your school and you want to do that with alphabetically, so this will use for that. So what we'll do, we'll just go select this mark entry and mark all. Then again we'll select other one, mark entry, mark all. Then mark entry, mark all. Mark entry, mark all. Select mark entry. You have to do one time, after that you did not do anything, it's automatically. So mark all, and this is mark all. Once you did this, what you will do, you just insert index, and it will ask you fancy, so you just put fancy here, and how it will be, different you can select from here, and you just put here. So what happen, you see it's okay. Just what we'll do, this you can remove here, this you can remove with Control Shift at 8 and shortcut key. Otherwise you go to home and just click on this, it is removed from this. So A name is this, B is this, C is 2, F, and I think X is not come, so I think we remove that. Okay, so what happened, and this will show you the page number, which page number it is. So this is for that. So I hope we cover with your all the things. Now we'll go with the next. We have mailing, review and view, so we'll cover this in one, and after that one more I will give you like what is the best document created, and what, like, how the CV and other thing is created. So one session will do into two. I hope you like our video. If you like our video, please like it and share with your friends, family members, and just subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.